share up my life, people. Share up my life. Share up the. You have myself a do? Extra. Overdrive with it right now. You know what I say? Blunt Posse in I building the vibes. I tell you, yo. Bless up the sponsor, you don't know. You know what I say? Each and every Thursday you can check out Rumble Talk. You know what I say? Irish and Chin, soundchatradio.com. Check that out. You know what I do it? Each and every Thursday, Iron Vice and my Belgian Jew. You know? See? And you can check out, you know what I say? Don't know the sponsor. You know what I say? Boutique of Flair. You know what I say? boutiqueoflair.com. Check that out. You know what I say? 50% off. You know what I do it? Just check it out. You know what I do it? Boutique of Flair. See? 50% off. Your discount is 50% off LP 50% off. You just check that out. You know what I do it? So, Boutique of Flair, all garments, latest wear and everything. You know what I say? So just type it in later on when the platform finish and check it out, people. You know what I say? Don't pass in our building. Bless up, you know what I say? Bless up, you know, the sponsor for the lightning. You know what I say? Bless up the lightning sponsor. Each and every week, you know what I say, we have somebody who contribute to the thing, you know what I say? So bless up the Venom crew, Sean. You know what I say, bless up yourself anywhere you're standing. But brother,
one of
you know
them
what I say, because Sean always support the thing, you know?
One of them like yeah, miss up still.
One of them are missing up. Yeah. Sean, if one of them like missing, you don't know how to take your earjacks. See? So people just go on back, share back the life, because you don't know. Overdrive with it right now. Over, full drive right now.
Yeah.
You know what I say?
Yeah.
So, bless up the Yaris massive, them. Bless up the Yaris crew, you know, Yaris sound.
LP
you know
studio, they're on fire.
Yeah, man.
That's all I can tell.
Fire. Vibes, the vibes.
Yeah, man.
Yo. Mad.
Yeah, man.
Mad piece of vibes.
So share up the live, man.
Share up the live, people.
I'm not ready to start the song them yet.
Remember, if you want the LP merchandise, the Real Talk IG, you don't know, it's advertised for your platform. Just check that out, you know what I say? Link up the LP platform, them, you know what I say? And you get all of the merchandise. Link up now with that. Killer D or anyone away, you know what I say? So bless up everyone, bless up my Puerto Rican crew, you know what I say? Asal, bless up yourself, bless up the whole of the Chai Avenue crew, you know what I say? Bless them up. See it? So you ready again here, Jax?
When you are.
Overdrive, my brother.
When it's overdrive. Blessed love LP Sundays, Blunt Posse sound, overdrive. Now share up the link. Me say, holy pa join, I want. Extended clip, big up yourself, give thanks. It was an honor. Scorpion Nightstar, big up on yourself. No more on the live, share up. Me know what I do. Let's go and queue up where you are queue up. Say, CJ, you want to say something? Shallow. In a LP studio, they're on fire. I have to put out sharp bars too, see? Because permission slip only signed for 9:30. So, you know, big up sharp bars.
Wait, it's a curfew.
No, me never said that in a Puma. Me just say the permission slip for sharp bar signed for 9:30 today.
No, man. 9 to 5, sharp bars get up early, man. By 3 o'clock, sharp bars have to up. You don't know.
Other story them give.
No, man. Some early, man. Them man have some early work.
Brother. Me see them man they at work, you know. All right. Quote unquote work, you know.
No, but you don't know the sharp bars already. You don't know. You have to change. You know, change of certain things. So you don't know. You have to do it earlier now.
Sure,
make sure everything all right and everything.
Yeah, you know? Man. Big him up, man. I'm a G, man.
So bless up Killer D anyway you stand there.
Yes, man. Big up Killer D. Big up Know It Dan. Anyway, I'm there, you know. Know It Dan. Big up yourself.
You have to catch Killer D early fire, you know, because you don't know, start from 5 o'clock.
Yeah, me tune in, you know. Me tune in. Share up a link. I see where it reached, you know. Share up a link.
Yeah, man.
Ricky Blunt, original groundation. Big up True That, anyway, I'm there. Big up. Ralph, big up. Lunatic, big up. The hours beat, you know.
All right, hours, yeah, Jax. Hours? Yeah, because we don't want to call no Babylon Power. We didn't do it already.
Oh, I lie. And you know me a troublemaker again. Me a police are really that friendly, you know. See?
Overdrive. Let it go, Mr. Lee. Let it go.
Ready.
Blunt Posse sound. Father Blunt, your Ajax. Mr. Lee, CJ.
Wait, CJ, you want to mix two songs?
The baddest man.
Nothing around.
DJ.
Looking I camera, you.
Blunt Posse, yo.
No boy can't give me no talk. We have 1 and 2 liquor. Collide up tune, you know.
Yo, Blunt Posse, yo. Father Blunt, na little bit of dopey. Little bit of dopey. Ajax, na little bit of dopey. Blood.
Trouble.
Pull up them tune.
Trouble. A Bronx we think there, you know. The rhythm your name, Icky. What me say the rhythm name? Icky. Big up Jimmy Spliff. Me cock Jimmy Spliff in him face and take what the rhythm you from him. Him can't play no more song on it and we response. The
Blunt
rhythm
Posse
your name, Icky.
Father Blunt, your eardrops.
Again.
Blunt Posse, yo, yo. Blunt Posse, yo, yo. Blunt Posse, yo, yo. Blunt Posse, yo. Father Blunt, no little bit of dopey. Little bit of dopey. Eardrops, no little bit of dopey. Blunt Posse, tell them, say, boy, shut your mouth with the little bit of dopey. Every rifle what we have a carry 30, boy, we never kill a fly, or a roach or a puppy. Running away war, come give it then dopey. Sound start hype, through them make a little money. Cut 2 dub, now them feel like them a smarty. But the rifle them bossy, make them find them in a gully. Can't this, Blunt Posse with the little bit of dopey. Boss how them head on the turntable, part.
Honest enough. Some look at bumbo.
When you want a killer for sound clash.
Tell them. All of us who do hear some sound a chat. I go to fuck one like them a killer. A ram and a juvenile. In a me filler with me spinner some sound.
Call out the killer them.
Yo, Blunt Posse them a killer. Eardrops them a killer. Miss Ali him a killer. Father Blunt him a killer. Blunt Posse sound them a bumbo clock killer. What them know about this?
What them call me?
Blunt Posse sound. Them a bumbo clock sound killer.
Blunt Posse, when I bag a bumbuckler talking, this is how we kill the
fire in our life.
Father Blunt say, step if you a step now, step if you a step now, bumbo hole, step if you a step now, stop sentient.
What am I cause with?
The phone go kill up and put a hunting. Touch make any tick up man slim. Blunt Posse and no stone pick up and fling.
Go to the road, you know, make them gap in our street, you know, so leave people barreling, you know, them know, you know, that. Custom Glock, Father Blunt, a bust a Glock, and a puff gum.
6 intro.
The voice, you know, they don't want to represent for Blunt Posse sound. I hear Father Blunt, I hear me.
CJ, fire it for replay.
I see it.
I want to them.
You know the badness go.
6 real.
Fully. A girl in the flag go to the road, you know.
No normal about that sound here. Icky juggling, ready.
A girl in, you know, them know, you know, that. Custom Glock, Father Blunt, a bust a Glock, and a puff gum. Yeah, me had the devil son, the Jericho. Have the pussy, them a run up and bum. Them young, who they guess, them a must pet come. The pet come make your chick, next every fever, we had the same top 6. The PID that we put on my gun. Yeah, talk to we nice, and anywhere we see them Ajax, them off the hide. So watch your mouth. Watch your eye, make a DM, me just use it like a bus, I head for spite.
For free. Wanna agree? Alright.
Oh!
We now go walk your walk, cause when you walk from the road, oh, them see. Oh, we done before them for free.
We don't fight song like people, we don't move like them.
Alright, one your name. We now go walk your walk, cause when you walk from the road of corruption, you walk, yeah. We now go talk your talk, cause when
what, at 5 minutes? How much minutes left? Alright, about 5. Share the last I link. Some pussy think we take break.
Check.
Hold on there.
Oh, you mean?
Some pussy feel like we take break. We not socialize with any and every junk crop. CJ fire.
Yo, Blunt Posse son. You know the badness, you know. I say your Father Blunt. Bumbuckler do them, Mr. Lee. Me I say CJ Ajax. Like I every other day, them find sitting on you for try. Them no mention with name, them no feel them. Yo, Blunt Posse son. You know.
Remember me tell you know. These are just the extra butter around the cake, you know.
Ajax. Like I every other day, them find sitting on you for try. Them no mention with name, them no feel them not the light. Father Blunt love pussy, could go without a night. No girl can't start with suck your mother son boy. Keep yourself to yourself, no in everybody yard. No few warrior.
Bumbo, hey.
Yo, Blunt Posse son. You know the badness, you know. I say your Father Blunt.
Overdrive plus little extra.
Say CJ
Bumbo, hey,
Ajax.
LP son.
The other day, them find sitting on you for try. Them no mention with name, them no feel them not the light. Father Blunt love pussy, could go without a night. No girl can't start with suck your mother son boy. Keep yourself to yourself, no in everybody yard. No few warrior, no everybody dog. He say
that song yeah. that song, your people, listen.
Blunt Posse sound never scared. Pepper brain escalate, temperate.
Bumbo, hey.
Yo, Blunt Posse sound.
This a skilly banger, quenga.
He say,
I hear this
People,
song.
me left yo. Tomorrow, man.
Blunt Posse sound never scared. Pepper brain escalate, temperate. Data pure lead from Kane.
If me left yo, Ajax and Blunt them play till tomorrow, next week.
16 make brain enter space. We entertain vengeance ways. This Blunt Posse then and there take careers and career that campaign. It pan clip, man it here big like escalate. We evil and never afraid. He said, December rain. This Blunt Posse sound you can't get away. You have it dead and grave. We spend pangrams mental we sick like say I hate. We no member wait. We have it Jacob, we have it China kid. Pneumatic they are 9 for raise. He said Blunt Posse no play like his game. Crime we name Blunt Posse don't afraid for ice kid. He said
Blunt Posse bust head and never pepper spray. East side make them afraid that we never scare. If them pressure we brain, Ajax pressure care. 10 rifle, nothing if
bad combination.
Lee gun bigger than when you make a cake. So we clip there every down leather weight. Kill boy left gal in a me better stay CJ crime rate generate.
Is
East side
Blunt Posse never scared. Pepper brain escalate, temperate. Data.
Why them get brought up this afternoon, you know? This afternoon they get whole heap of brought up.
Hold on.
Whole heap of brought up.
We have a rhythm there.
Yeah.
We want sample a road. It name Worry Way.
Yeah, man. Introduce it, man.
We can give them just a little premiere.
Do you think, man?
We're not going to play the full. People, them say we are going way over our time. We're not going to play the full juggling. So I don't want to cuss we, but that juggling your name Worry Way.
They're not cuss, man.
Are we alone in the world play that juggling young people? See? And we'll give you a premiere of them. We're not going to play out the whole juggling. That's a premiere.
Hey, Blunt Posse.
Premiere.
Shut down son boy at the pump shotty. You know the badness go. Javelin represent the Blunt Posse soul. Me I say Father Blunt. Me I say Ajax. Me I say Mr. Lee. Yeah, me CJ. Murder them the real way. One government.
One side.
Yeah. Blunt Posse steady with the matic. Anywhere we see the enemy we shot him, oh God. Steady up. Jump and head a bus. Blunt Posse have a rubber grip. We bust son boy head for the fun of it. We no take styling from nobody. Anywhere we go fi boy with a new something to the P of company. Murder fuck of them. Run it out fast then we turn it up again. The street lock you a Blunt Posse government. Yesterday we kill a son, tomorrow we kill again. You fi know a Blunt Posse don't love man brother. You know see I be a gunman there. Blunt Posse we fall black rain pan a bright sunny day make it turn bad way.
Alright, CJ, mix it.
And broke back space. So no cause no rope.
Juggling name Worry Way, Worry Way.
Make them cream. Father Blunt, Ajax, Mr. Lee. Blunt Posse sound at the jump right now. We kill a sound in the dam.
You hear me say man, governor represent, you know. Blunt Posse
Yo,
sound.
Blunt Posse
The juggling name Worry Way.
Blunt Posse push away them a road.
See, bad man son, you know. Blunt Posse, you know. See? We not laughing, we not thumb fussy. Gunshot straight, Blunt Posse. Governor represent man, the baddest thing, you're Ajax. Hey, I'm Mr. Lee, you're CJ.
Bust out them head, make them scream. Slang rifle with the laser beam. Blunt Posse bust them head, make them scream. Father Blunt, Ajax, Mr. Lee. Blunt Posse sound at the jump right now. We kill a sound in the dance right now, yeah. Finna roll them off the plan right now. Blunt Posse sound at the
tell them we go run for it. Never let it a sun valley. Blunt Posse run this shit, run this shit.
Rhythm name Worry Way. I will last time we juggling this. Hate this.
Boy, you feel it down flat, can't get up back. Friend them when we party, no take tough chat. When boy you sleep, walk up on them block. One out of the cake, in your bed back. Blunt Posse them go on, but don't feel it flat. 15 meter not so like a rocket and drop. Shut that up in a yard, and a lot in a back. Father Blunt, some son boy no bad like we. Talk in a mood, shot in a head side, call in a mouth. Friend them asleep, my bed in a heart.
Yo.
Yeah, man, real talk IG, man. Each and every Sunday.
Yo.
Yeah, each and every Sunday, check that out. You know what I say? So play a couple more if you want, play a couple more.
What you want, more song?
If you, it's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you, son.
Boomer.
It's up to you, son.
Boomer.
Yeah.
Boomer.
Yeah.
Nah, man.
Yeah.
You can't serious.
Alright, play twice more song. I'm gonna call it.
Alright, you You request a song. Which song you want?
Me request. Me not hear my rhythm now, because me not hear you play the Israel vibration.
Alright, find it for me.
I didn't.
Find the shuffling juggling.
Me never hear you play the tune.
That me show you.
Yeah, me never hear you play the tune.
Just find the shuffling juggling for me.
Find the juggling.
You see it?
Enough juggling, enough anthem juggling blunt having at them back.
Seen.
But that are one of them where people them know say, well, alright, me might play the tune before, no? Or no take it and no build a juggling on the rhythm.
No.
No?
And we did have the rhythm first. And we build the juggling first.
Oh, you gotta have the rhythm first when me voice the tune before everybody in New York.
But you never.
I was the first sound.
But Puma,
me bust that tune.
Remember say you and Don't Beat go school.
No, Don't Beat them have the tune. Probably later on Don't Beat get it.
Yeah.
But
big up
me,
Apple Gabriel. Well, alright.
You know when me bust a tune, eh? See the Statue of Liberty there. In the dance, me bust a tune.
And we have played before that.
In the dance.
And we have played.
No, you not played before that.
And we have played before.
No, you not played before.
Alright. How we met the juggling?
Yes.
You played.
Yes,
first.
I agree.
Alright.
I agree.
How much sound you play the juggling?
Enough sound of the juggling. Some sound try to
Cue
teeth
the juggling from intro for me, brother.
Some sound try to teeth the juggling.
Long time.
The juggling are your juggling, but the tune is mine. Remember, me have a custom for your name too, you know. Watch it, you know.
Yeah, me know that.
I want to tell you, well, I know. Bless up Apple, Gabriel. No, bless up Apple, because Apple, when me voice a tune first, he charge me money.
Yeah.
When I'm a boss a tune, I make everybody voice a tune.
No, do
so
that.
It's when me
Don't do that. Are we boss it make everybody?
No, man.
When LP was playing it, you was playing it in early one.
No, man.
I could talk the truth.
Man.
You never find.
Take it down, sir.
You did not find any value in the song until Blunt Posse.
LP versus Mighty Crown. You check a dance.
Me never hear that dance.
Alright, check a dance.
Who did win that?
What do you mean how who win?
How
we win the dance until in at the end when me feel like give the people them some 1 for 1. We beat them till we beat the daylight out of them.
Well,
I know. We beat the
daylight. And you walk out, right?
No, me never walk out. We beat the daylight out of Mighty Crown. Right? And in at the end, me also want to play something them dub for dub.
Yeah.
Right? I'm say alright.
And them style.
Well, I know. I'm say alright. People them say dub for dub. Let's give them a dub for dub. And I tell them like they did win the dub for dub. But me beat the daylight out of them from every round. Me beat them.
So which dance you never win every round?
No man, me win. I will per dance me lose man.
Huh?
Well, but me beat her 4 times still.
No, lie that.
No, enough dance.
Big up LP,
enough dance me lose. Me can't tell no lie. Enough dance.
And enough kick and thump you get from Blood
Enough
Posse.
kick and thump. No, me never get no. Me get kick and thump, but me still win.
No, you get enough kick and thump from
But
Blood
I still
Posse.
win. But I still win.
All right. So intro that rhythm you for me.
All right, that rhythm you don't know. Apple Gabriel pass and gone. You know me I say me and soul rest in peace. You know me I say Israel vibration. Blunt Posse at the sound. We build the juggling on the rhythm. We can't take it back. We can't go around it and them thing there. So run the tune.
Yes, This is I, man, Apple Gabriel. Errol, me engineer. Big up Father Blunt and Ajax. Maximum respect. This one straight to a sound boy. Bumper-clad head. Red and dread. Dig it. Grand sound system can't Blunt Posse, man, no.
Now on your name.
One come treat I rejectedly, but I'm on too culturally. No one hype on MTV, and things say you're done with me
because of Blunt Posse. Murder. That juggling there make enough duppy.
War sound boy yesterday's blood. Deal with it, the bloody ass.
Tell them.
Gun dog and gun drunk of the century.
And the living fire truck fender. Yeah, me now. God is my weakness. Anything test blunt.
Hey, Blunt Posse anthem that. We can't wait till it's imperialist to calendar them upon them. Hold on, run it,
Hold on, man.
Run it, now.
Most hey, Blunt Posse. They want to know we was it. And the living fire truck fender. Yeah, me now. God is my weakness. Anything test Blunt Posse, them a go feel it. God is my weakness.
No,
Got it sorted out, boy. War start and you lose.
Judgment yard, you said. No, Puma.
Yeah, man.
You know your mouth. Father Blunt.
Judgment yard.
Time and the whole crew. Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, Antigua. Boy, this a gang war sound boy now go reach far. Boy, dead when Blunt Posse start. Bust the SL.
Yo, hold on, hold it. Hold it. Don't get it twisted neither, you know. I'm going probably Jara alone, probably have one next sound, probably Caveman or Jara.
Yeah,
when
Caveman the brave one.
When it comes to Sizzla Kalanji, you know.
Trouble.
Nobody go around Blunt Posse still, you know.
Trouble.
Don't go around Blunt.
Got it
1,000. 1,000.
Start and you lose a fucking head, bullet chop off your fucking marrow. Chin in your mouth, Father Blunt, Ajax, so Diamond, the whole crew, Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, Antigua. Boy, this a gang war sound, boy, now go reach far. Boy, dead when Blunt Posse start, bust the SLR. Boy, we run the gun war, who no now go reach far.
Fraud led. If them violate Blunt Posse, all them bush and them dog dead. Yo, Mr. Lee, Ajax, Father Blunt, make the push of them know. Ready when them artists start the war. It's wall of the black boy, no mercy. Well, I know some of them don't know that man from Zion, you know. No mercy. Before them see God, them see the devil.
Bronx and Brooklyn and Queens. Get to the Star Baller family.
Anywhere, anytime, anywhere, anytime.
Sound for dead, don't pass it, no save no lane.
Shout some man spider on the line.
They don't know, and I said they don't know. Blunt Posse sound. They see smile, but they don't know what to feel inside.
Make them know you, Jack. Make them know.
Only you know it. Oh, only you know what. They see we smiling, they don't know what to feel inside. Blunt Posse sound. They see we play sound, them see we perform.
This is Johnny Killer on the live. I could play a Johnny Killer DJ, you know.
Blunt Posse sound says die. Oh na na na, yeah. It's been a long time now. Yes, we have played dub plates like this.
Bamba!
And kill a sound man in the area with reggae music again. Dub plate and play again, yeah. We kill them in a the place. Blunt Posse sound make jump and get erased. Smile and greet with real friend. Blunt Posse I murder them.
What did you signal say?
Them say me gun them down. Kill jump and like this. Murder jump and again.
The thing set in a black rye. Mascara say blunt killer boy. Blunt say funeral. Funeral any pussy this way. Funeral for any pussy this way. Shallow grave and funeral. Funeral for any pussy this way. Head a fly out.
Whoa. Where is the Father Puma?
No, I mean, Mr. Lee, they are reason him say, yo, for build a museum and put the dub plate them in it. Make them come, the new selector them come see it, because enough of them know what a dub plate. Them know the laptop and you know what I say, but them know what's a real dub plate.
True.
And the hard work we go through, we have to advise the artists, we have to pay for the intro back in ideas. Because you want to intro the tune, you know. You have to give him a little thing to you.
Oh, you mean?
You have to give him an intro man a little thing, you know what I say?
All the hype man, the man who are whistling.
All the man who are whistling.
Yeah.
Hype man who hype up the DJ.
Yeah, yo, him come to you and say, yo, you know, say a song, but this one me here.
You have to give him a little
left
thing.
a thing with me, number
all right.
Yeah,
and then you have to pay the artist. Then you have to go one next studio and go vice and go cut the plate.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
So enough thing we've been through. Enough of the new sound them, they don't have a dub plate. Enough of them youth have to go and because them still cut dub plate, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Them a studio who still cut dub plate, you know.
Yes.
So more enough of the little young youth them. Let's get someone to dub them because one day might come one day you have to play one little
play two vinyl.
For the vinyl dance.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
So cut 1 and 2 tunes per specials.
That's why I don't know how you take both and a pin up here and
well, them one they can pin up, you know, because we have many. Several. Several. You know what I said?
Them show off something.
No, I don't show off.
Oh, that's bossy.
No, I don't bossy. You see me start from the original.
You're just enough.
No, I don't enough.
Oh.
I don't enough. I just, you know me, I say lighten up the studio.
But it never decorates so the week before.
It never decorates. That's what I say you come in the new studio.
Show off on way.
No, we not show off on you. You come in the new studio.
I like it.
Yeah, give thanks.
I like it, man.
Yeah, man. So people, you don't know, Real Talk IG each and every Sunday. Blunt Posse was in the building. Bless up Ajax. Bless up CJ, you know what I say, the young shooter.
Street vibes there, you know.
Bless up the young shooter, you know what I say. Bless up Father Blunt in the building, you know what I say?
Mad.
Yeah, man, bless up Father Blunt and bless up the next shooter, Mr. Lee.
Big up to all the people them locked in on the live, you know.
Yeah, man.
And big up to all the people that show Blunt Posse support over the years.
Yeah.
And years beyond, you see?
But you had enough LP fans who rate Blunt Posse sound, you know.
What you mean?
And cheer for Blunt Posse,
What you
know.
mean?
And I like some of the new...
Young.
LP fans different, you know.
Yeah.
You see LP fans, when
Some of
them
them,
go
some of them.
dance,
Some of
when
them.
them go dance, them are biased. If the sound not play good, them are going to cheer for you.
Yeah.
But if you play bad, just like LP.
Them are going to let you have it.
I wanted to say, everybody will make have it, I help you, you know. You see, when me go dance, I'm not impressed.
You have to dip on top for
Trust me,
at
man.
all
I tell you,
times.
man.
Cause enough time to see you save them.
Yo, man.
Enough time to see
yo.
you. Enough time to see
Yo,
you running
people,
on
it
to
was
the
an
rescue.
honor this afternoon, you know, me I
Yeah.
say, Ajax, this up yourself, my brother, you know me I say, enough respect. You know, carry on a year, you know?
Uncle Spec.
Yeah, man, you know me I say?
And Brother Lee.
Yeah, man. Enough respect. See it? So people, you don't know.
See it?
For Blunt Posse was in the building, you know me I say, each and every Sunday you can check out the Real Talk IG, you know me I say, Killer D start him early fire from 5 o'clock. So you know me I say, and the show kick off at 6. I guest pass through the studio each and every week.
Yeah.
I have to bless up all of my guests them.
And big up to all I New York sound them. Everyone I New York sound them, I hold it up. Big up on the damn self, man.
Bless up all of the guests them who pass through the studio.
Yeah.
Every one of them.
You know, mind when me a cuss on sometime, but you know,
I sports, man.
I'm telling about yourself sometimes.
But them thing they bring a rivalry, you know.
Dancer,
no, for them
before
know,
you can dance, bro.
No, for them youth, they don't know them thing, them take it personal.
Yeah.
Them know so them thing they bring a rivalry.
Yeah.
And bring.
So wait, if you and your brother are par, and you say your brother knows a run, you go behind him back and whisper and say, yo,
man, I
watch
touch
a
him and say,
nasty
yo.
boy.
I touch him and say, yo.
Clean up yourself.
brother.
Then I know that.
You know, something you know.
Yeah, that,
you know
that man.
Even my virgin,
Yeah.
the same thing I go show him.
Straight.
See it?
So I does that. I love.
So
See.
people, you have anything else you want to say to the people?
No, just remember to tune in and also follow Blunt Posse on every social media. Keep in tune. You know, say more things out, more things in store. Saying, and bless up all our Bronx fans. Them. We can't left out the Bronx fans. Them. And big up to all our Dudley fans them too. See?
Yeah, man.
Big up to all our partner them answer.
Caesar, you want to say anything to your Boston Massive?
Yo, may I talk to the world, you know? Cause from a giant Blunt Posse, of the world, man, look for seeing. Big up LP crew, Killer D, big up yourself. Cause you know, I've been for a long time, you know, no matter about no pal talk thing on a
Oh, so you and Killer D have a little thing of go on.
No, me and no man never
But
have
some
no little
power
thing.
talk,
No.
power talk. Hey, oh.
Me and no man can't have no little
That's
thing.
why you're forward and build and never want
CJ,
big up Killer D.
don't do that something. Don't do that something.
That's why you're forward.
Don't tell the boss. Don't tell the
No,
boss.
but-
Don't tell. That was off the ear, brother.
But make him manage them thing this day.
Yeah.
I don't want to counter.
No,
We're
good, man.
It's like, I get straight to the point here, John.
Yeah.
Me
You
know
know
get
what?
straight to the
Because
point.
them money we try. Yeah, them money have
Let me get straight to the
Just
point.
say what you say.